We are touring this 17 million fully furnished house and lot for sale located inside a secured subdivision here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. It has a lot area of 161 square meters, floor area of 200 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2-car garage. Hi, my name is Howie of Live Realty and welcome to another Howie TV House Tour. Let's go! Let's start with the facade. You can see it's a modern contemporary design. Let's go in. Welcome. Upon entering your pedestrian gate, to my left, nandito yung inyong pocket garden, which is well designed. Ang ganda, start pa lang, napakaganda na ng design. To my right, this is your 2-car carport. And of course, you have a way here going to the side of the house. You have a wooden front door. Come in. Sobrang gusto ko yung design ng floor. It's a wooden design, pero tiles siya. So it's easy to maintain. Okay? This right here is your living area. Well interiored, I must say. Napakaganda. Tons of storage under here. You have your TV, your big sofa, and of course, your chandelier. So this way is your powder room. Check natin. Diba? This is for your guests. Dito sila. Diba? Very dramatic ang design. Diba? Your dining area is here. 6-seater with, of course, chandelier. This is where you will be entertaining your guests. Have dinner with your family. Your kitchen counter has a bar stool para dito yung breakfast. Diba? Maanong ulam? Ganun. You have your sink, stove, and your range. Tapos, napakadaming storage, guys, no? Storage under here. You have your microwave oven, your normal oven, and of course, your refrigerator. By the way, guys, included na rin yung ating air conditioning. What I love about this house is meron siyang bedroom on the ground floor. So this bedroom, very accessible siya if you have elderly, if you have guests, or pwede nyo rin gawing office kung hindi nyo need ng bedroom. Ito siya, guys. May TV installed, console, storage for your outfits, and your own bathroom. Come here. Ang ganda. Okay? Toilet, sink, and shower. Guys, ipan ulit natin dito para makita nyo yung napakagandang design ng bahay nyo. Okay? This door, behind the camera, is your dirty kitchen. Okay, you have a nice space right here for your daily kitchen. So may washing machine na rin tayo. You have your sink, di ba? On this side, papunta sa side, nandun din yung inyong staff room. Okay? Ang maganda pa dito, meron na siyang polycarbonate roofing. So hindi na magbabasa-basa dito. And may exhaust na rin. Amazing. Di ba? Magiging presko siya, hindi mangangamoy. Okay? Pasok ulit tayo. Let's admire the living area once again. And, ito magandang detail din to kasi pagpasok mo ng house, may magandang design ka dito na parang focal point na makikita. It's very nice. Now let's go up to the second floor. Wooden stairs, sturdy handles, and lighted ang inyong steps for safety. You have a big window right here for natural light. And upon landing, may space ka pa dito if you want to have a study or another console right here. Pwede pa siya dyan. You have a shared bathroom in the middle. This bathroom will be shared by the 2 bedrooms on the side. So have your sink, your toilet, and your spacious shower with ventilation and natural light, of course. Then, i-check natin to. Oh. Ang ganda ng drain nila. Yan. Ito yung mga bagong drain ngayon. I don't know what it's called. Can you comment down below kung anong tawag sa ganyan? To our left, nandito yung inyong bedrooms. First bedroom sa second floor. Very spacious. Imagine nyo guys, oh. Big space. You have your bed. You have your TV and your console. Plus storage. And lahat din pala ng room may dresser like this. So pakita natin. Na-miss natin yung sa ground floor. Pakita natin. Ayan. Okay. And even the second floor, maganda ang height ng ceiling niya. Okay? Now, let's go to the other bedroom. Another spacious bedroom on the second floor. Air conditioning are installed. Ang ganda ng lighting. Your bed, of course. Natural light coming from the windows. And your storage plus your dresser. So guys, imagine, oh. Ang daming pwedeng ilagay ng mga outfit dito. Now, let's go to the highlight of the house. The master bedroom. But before we do, check natin yung chandelier. Especially at night, ma-appreciate nyo to at night, napakaganda. Okay. To my right, meron tayo ditong balcony fronting the house. We have the balcony over here. And welcome to the master bedroom. Let's go. You have your king-size bed here. Big window. Ito front ng house, dito sa side na to. You have your console here. More storage. Ayan. Big television. Light fixture up there. Seating area right here. Diba? Imagine mo, nag-chill ka dito or dito ka nagkasapatos. Storage. Mga outfits. And all. Your dresser. And of course, the master bathroom. Interesting tong shape ng ano. I think first time ko makita ng ganitong shape na sink, your toilet, and shower. Na napaka-spacious. Ayan. Plus, your shampoo niche. Very nice. Of course, that ends our tour, but let's go to the recap. This house is 17 million pesos, fully furnished, 161 square meters of lot area, 200 square meters of floor area, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 car garage that is lovingly and beautifully interiored. If you're interested in this property, you may contact me, Howie of Live Realty at 0956-590-6988. Please follow our page, Live Invest Properties and Livetopia. Once again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!